Stop. Before you buy WP ProHost, you need to hear this. This tool claims it can give you lightning-fast WordPress hosting, better security and higher rankings, all without technical headaches. Sounds great, but is WP ProHost actually worth your money, or is it just another hosting rebrand with hype? In this honest WP ProHost review, I'll break down exactly what it does, who it's for, the real pros and cons, and I'll also show you how to get my $497 bonus bundle for free if you decide to grab it. Let's dive in. Hey, welcome back. If you run WordPress websites, build sites for clients, or do affiliate marketing, blogging, or local SEO, this video can save you a lot of time and money. I'm not here to hype anything, just to show you what WP ProHost really is, so you can decide if it's right for you. What is WP ProHost? WP ProHost is a WordPress-optimized hosting solution designed to make your websites faster, more secure and easier to manage, without needing server knowledge or technical skills. Instead of dealing with slow shared hosting, complicated setups, security issues, and constant plugin conflicts, WP ProHost gives you a done-for-you hosting environment that's built specifically for WordPress users. It's cloud-based, beginner-friendly, and ideal for people who want performance without headaches. Key features. Benefits. Here are the key features, and why they actually matter. WordPress optimized hosting. WP ProHost is built specifically for WordPress, meaning faster load times, better uptime, improved performance compared to generic hosting. This is huge for SEO, user experience, and conversions. One-click WordPress setup. You can launch WordPress sites quickly without dealing with manual installations, cPanel confusion, technical errors, and perfect for beginners and agencies. Speed and performance optimization. WP ProHost focuses on faster page loading, better core web vitals, improved user engagement, and faster sites equals higher rankings plus more sales. Built-in security. You get hosting designed to reduce malware risks, hack attempts, and downtime issues. That peace of mind alone is worth it for many users. Multiple website use. Great for affiliate marketers, bloggers, local business websites, client sites, and niche websites. You can manage everything from one place. Honest pros and cons. Let's be honest, here are the real pros and cons. Pros. WordPress-focused hosting, not generic, beginner-friendly setup, faster website performance, no technical skills required, and good for multiple sites. Cons. Only useful if you use WordPress, not meant for advanced server customization, and best value if you actively manage multiple sites. If you rely on WordPress, the pros heavily outweigh the cons. Who is WP ProHost best for? WP ProHost is perfect if you are a WordPress user or blogger, an affiliate marketer running multiple sites, a freelancer or agency owner, a local SEO marketer, and someone tired of slow or unreliable hosting. If that's you, keep watching. If you grab WP ProHost through my link below, you'll get my exclusive $497 bonus bundle absolutely free. Here's what you'll receive. Bonus 1. WordPress Speed Optimization Checklist, $97, step-by-step checklist to make any WordPress site load faster. Bonus 2. DFY High Converting WordPress Theme Pack, $77, clean, fast themes optimized for conversions and SEO. Bonus 3. Affiliate Site Setup Blueprint, $97, how to build profitable affiliate sites using WordPress. Bonus 4. Local Business Website Funnel Template, $67, perfect for agencies and freelancers. Bonus 5. Security and Backup Setup Guide, $67, protect your sites and never worry about crashes again. Bonus 6. Email Swipes for Hosting and Tech Offers, $47, done-for-you emails to promote hosting or WP tools. Bonus 7. Monetization Guide for WordPress Sites, $45, multiple ways to turn WordPress traffic into income. Total value, $497, free with your purchase. So, is WP ProHost worth it? If you use WordPress and want faster sites, easier management and less technical stress, then yes, WP ProHost is a solid option. And when you factor in my $497 bonus bundle, this becomes a no-brainer. Click the link in the description now, grab WP ProHost, unlock my bonuses instantly and start running faster, safer WordPress sites today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.